Say hi to the monkey.
Monkeys ito. Ito yung monkey.
What is that?
Okay, and now I have here the modern dinosaur, by the way.
Flavor.
This is the modern.
Ano ba yung iguana? Ay, di. Sige, tawagan. Ang aims. Yeah, yeah.
Lalaki po ito. Ito babae din. Ito na Mindanao brown deer. This is the real Mindanao brown deer. This is the deer. Dalawang po ito. Ano ba yan? Tingnan po. This is sobrang mga
Yeah, close kiss sila. Say hi.
orange ay candy. Kaya ba sila si orange kasi walang bukod.
Di ba siya magpaduol?
And then we have here our Philippine dinosaur. So, before, tinatawag ito. Remember that crocodiles are opportunistic predators. So kapag meron po opportunity na malapit silang pagkain sa loob, hindi na agad.
If you see a crocodile.
Okay, so at this point, nalalaman natin kung babae o lalaki yung crocodiles. This stage po, for namin sila nilalagay dito with
What was that?
So, pinapasok namin yung finger namin sa kanilang kuweta yung dito sa pinagpapalagay.
Ibo nagpalayo.
Doon ang pinapasok.
Ibo,
Kapag
nagpalayo.
lock po, or may matigas
Up up daw, bebo. Madlock siya, bebo.
sa iyo.
Ang pop up siya, bebo, madlock.
Kapag soft naman, ang kailangan yes, ma'am. The other side.
Dapat pinap sa kanila.
Hindi ba kasali yung nakalubog ng So, here naman, this is our teenager.
or also known as the Banuk. Known from many guys as the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now raptors guys practice kleptoparasitism after animals fall. Now folks, let's be meet our third raptors. Nasi Magaspa, our Philippine serpent eagle. Folks, we will show you how they hunt po. Alright now, Magaspas, kunin na natin ang toy lizard boy. Ayan na. Wait na, folks. And there you go. Now guys, once they are in flight, they will lock on and dive bomb their target. Talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous. Did you know that they're able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grasshoppers are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, they're...
What is that?
What happened to the rabbits? Sige, video na ito ulitin eh. Ulot na.
Mas mana pwede mo mukhaon, oy. Wait again.
See? Wow. Isog na kang fish. Taba ka lang yung tao.
Katood sila, oh. Fish!
No.